So my name is Professor Arif Harekar, and I've been a professor of neurology for the last 2 decades. I'm still practicing neurology and lecturing. Today, I'll be focusing on a plateau, which is second highest plateau in the world, which I have explored through my drone. You can see that. And we flew in from Islamabad to Skardu, and then we have driven from Skardu Central across the Satpara Lake into this wonderful destination, popular destination with tourists, Deosai Plains, which is almost like 4,000 meters above sea level, 12,700 feet. And if you be with me, you can see that I'm taking my drone around, showing you the Himalayan mountain range. And the Himalayan mountain range connect on one side, if you see, I was trying to push my drone further, but it doesn't go very far. And on one side, there is Ladakh, which is a part of India. So this Deosai Plain harbors or borders India on one side, and then if you look into the distance on the other side, there is China. So the location and the bordering makes this Deosai flat plain or plateau one of the most strategic areas in Pakistan, and that is why this is very important. It is also a national park, so there are no people residing here, there are no residences here, because the national park does not allow people to stay there. However, if you look at my other videos that will be following this one, you will see that together with these range of snow-covered or snow-capped mountains, we will be taking you down to the different lakes, the Bada Pani and the other Pani, and that's what they're called. And the other thing is that the name for this Deosai Plains in Balti, the local language, was such that it described the presence of people in summer, because the only time of the year when people can actually access this area is between the months of June, July and August. Otherwise, because it's got a height of 4,000 meters, it is usually covered by snow. So we drove in a row of 10 Land Cruisers. It's also important to be in a group because, God forbid, anything happens or the car breaks down, you have a backup. This place, of course, I missed the Himalayan brown bear with my camera, but I did see one running with my eyes, which I could not capture. So in this area is a reserve for Himalayan brown bears, which are already going into extinction. So the Wildlife Association of Baltistan is looking after this area, and hopefully the numbers of Himalayan brown bears will increase, and they are already doing that. So I hope this video, which I'm showing you through my drone, the aerial views, I hope you are enjoying these and you're enjoying the beautifully laid out mountains and later on the lakes, which form part and parcel of this great plateau in Pakistan's Baltistan area, which harbors wildlife like golden marmots, wolves, foxes, and birds, of course, different birds. And of course, the flowers, the many types of flowers that grow here during the springtime. And as I continue to move on, and in other episodes in Skardu, we might be able to show you more about Deosai Plains and its constituents. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, do subscribe to our channel.